Hello, I'm Neil. Welcome back to the Happy Hearts, the Tower of Power, the Shed of Dreams. Look, there's Casper there, keeping guard. You're doing good work, thank you. I'm going to share with you how I'm never going to tie shoelaces again. This is a Dad Delivers vlog where we try new things to make your family happy. And I'm a bit obsessed with not tying shoelaces. With these, they're called lock laces. And they are the little bungee ropes with a gripper on the top to stop them falling off and stop your shoes falling off. They're brilliant. They've changed my life. I've put them on absolutely everything. I've put them on all my shoes and trainers and boots. Not my funeral shoes. The one bit of footwear that's avoided these is my funeral shoes. I'm in no rush to tie those on, but with lock laces, I put them on absolutely everything else. Absolutely. That's quite posh, isn't it? Absolutely. Here's some footage shot in sunnier times. Oh man, I wish it were that warm now. And this footage demonstrates how I've put them on all my shoes, because I shot this for my random 9 gift ideas video, which is doing stormingly well. I think I've got 100 views on it. You can get the lock laces in different colours. I've gone all the way from black all the way through to blue. I put blue ones on my boots. I wasn't quite sure about this, but I sort of like it now. There are different types of lock laces. There are pretenders to the crown, copycats, challengers to the lock lace realm. And on these, dare I say, cheaper ones, you squeeze the gripper from the side, and the gripper is also metal, and it's really difficult. It's a complete pain, because look, these lock laces, they've just got one button. One and done, and with the others you've got to squeeze them from side to side. You've got to use 2 hands. So even in the space of being lazy with your shoelaces, there's an even lazy option, and that's the lock lace, which I heartily recommend. So let's get these on. I'm putting them on my son's boots. He's been begging me to do this for about a month now, and he couldn't wait to get started on his new boots, which is completely understandable. Let's take out the laces. By the way, while I'm doing that, these lock laces are in the link in the description if you wanted to buy these ones. They're not cheap, unfortunately, but they're worth every penny. So you've got 2 grippers, 2 things that go on the end, and 2 laces. So we're going to lace up the boots first. I'm just going to go to there. I can't be bothered to do the 2 eyelets at the top, and I'm going to get it fairly tight but not really tight, just to get an idea. And then we've got this bit on the end. Let's do the other one. By the way, I've just noticed I've only bought these a week ago, and the eyelets are already rusting. It looks cool, but I was hoping it would last longer than a week. Right, so now we've got these dangly bits, and you could just leave them like that, but it would really annoy you. You know, you'd be tripping on them. This is a delicate part of the operation, because obviously once I've cut it, I can't go back. Let's put the gripper on. You don't want this to be too long. So I'm going to pull it tight to there, and I reckon I'm going to go to about there. So I'm going to cut those. I'll do it on the other side now. Just measure how much I want it to be out by, and then I'll cut those there. Put the lock lace gripper on. I'm not sponsored by them. I should be, shouldn't I? Now we've got a stopper on the end to stop the gripper from flying off. We just feed the laces into the stopper, and then we can snap it shut like this. There we go. That looks really tidy. Do the same on the other shoe and squeeze it shut. There we go, lock laces on the 2 boots for the boy. Yeah. I'm calling this a Dad Delivers success. Hey, this is the first time we've done this in the hut, isn't it? I kind of like this. The link to the lock laces is obviously down below in the description. Thanks so much if you do use that link. And right here is what YouTube knows that you're going to love next. Lock laces for the win.
Can you please help my daddy get 10,000 subscribers? Just click in his face. Thanks, bye. Alright, this is going to be the proper one, right?